Here's what we're watching right now. The new sentencing for a former Minneapolis police officer in prison for killing a woman is just getting underway. A judge will sentence Mohamed Noor for a lesser second-degree manslaughter charge for the shooting of Justine Ruszcyk Damond. This is a live look inside the courtroom right now. You can see the judge there on the bench. This is happening at the Hennepin County Government Center. Noor just entered the courtroom moments ago. The new punishment comes after the state Supreme Court overturned his murder conviction last month, along with its 12-year prison sentence.
Now, Justine was a 40-year-old yoga teacher in southwest Minneapolis. She had just moved to the U.S. from her native Australia to be with her fiance, Don Damon. After the murder charge was dropped just last month, Justine's fiance said, "None of this can hurt my heart more than it has already been, but now it truly feels like there has been no justice for Justine." Mariel Mose is following the proceedings for us today. Elle, what can we expect here in the next hour?
Susan, Elizabeth, and Shayla, Mohamed Noor could walk out of prison today, but many, even his lawyer, don't think that's going to happen. Then the sentencing guide for second-degree manslaughter is 3 to 5 years. Noor has already served 2.5. So if the judge sticks to that guideline, Noor will be released from prison by the end of the year or early next year. To remind you of the facts of this case, Justine Ruszcyk Damond called 911 in July 2017 after hearing what she thought was an assault outside of her South Minneapolis home, and Officer Noor and his partner responded. Noor testified that he was startled by a bang sound on his squad car and reacted by shooting. Ruszcyk was approaching the squad car at the time and was hit and killed. Noor was charged with second and third-degree murder as well as that manslaughter conviction. The trial ran several weeks in April 2019 with the jury finding Noor guilty of third-degree murder. And at the time, that was a landmark decision as the first conviction of a peace officer in Minnesota for killing someone while on duty. Noor's attorney appealed, and after more than 2 years in prison, the Minnesota Supreme Court overturned the murder conviction. And court documents have shown that Noor was a model prisoner, and his good behavior could lead to a reduced sentence from what the judge ends up ordering today. This hearing just started, and our own Esme Murphy is one of 7 reporters in the courtroom, so we'll be monitoring the proceedings and bringing the updates throughout the hour.
Yeah, just the beginning of this. Thank you, Mariel.
For more on today's new sentencing of Mohamed Noor, we want to bring in criminal defense attorney Joe Tamburino. He's helping us break down exactly what's happening in the courtroom. Joe, how unusual is a second sentencing like what we're seeing today?
Good morning, Shayla. Good morning, Susan, Elizabeth. It's very unusual. Rarely does it happen where you have a murder conviction and then it goes all the way to the Minnesota Supreme Court and gets reversed. And then the defendant gets the very good benefit for him of having a reduced sentence. So it's a unique situation.
All right. And Joe, we just heard from Mariel Mose reporting on this, and she said that Noor's attorneys are saying, hey, we don't think he'll get out today. What is your prediction on what we can expect in the next few hours and the next few days with this case?
Well, the judge is obviously an independent thinker, and I think she's going to go somewhere in the middle to the top. It's really hard to say. The range is very short. She could go as low as 41 months or up to 57 months. If she does 41 months, then Mr. Noor would be out today. If she does a mid-range of 48 months, then Mr. Noor would be out in a couple of months. And if she went to the top, which is 57 months, Mr. Noor would have an additional or 8 more months to serve.
We were just getting a live look inside of the courtroom this morning where those proceedings are just getting underway. What can you tell us about the importance of this as it relates to other cases we've been watching, like the Derek Chauvin case? What impact could a decision today have in that regard?
It could have a very significant impact because Mr. Chauvin was convicted of 3 crimes. Murder in the second degree, felony murder, murder in the third degree, and second degree manslaughter. Now, because of the Supreme Court in the Noor case, there will no longer be a murder in the third degree conviction on Mr. Chauvin, which means his most serious charge would be a felony murder conviction. And if he is successful on his appeal on that count, felony murder, his sentence would go down to what Mr. Noor's is, or will receive, a guideline sentence of around 48 months. It's a significant benefit if he prevails on appeal on the second-degree felony.
Okay, a precedent being set today. Thank you so much, Joe.
We want to acknowledge Joe Tamburino is a criminal attorney not affiliated with the Noor case. Joe's wife is also an attorney who works for Hennepin County. They're both bound by their legal licenses to keep things separate. This hour, we're focused on Joe's expertise about the law and sentencing guidelines. We'll be carrying the Noor sentencing on CBSN Minnesota. Stream our coverage with our app by visiting WCCO.com or on your favorite device. And we'll update you here when any key moments or the sentencing happens.